All right, everybody, we have a Moto Stars video. We're going to be going over some crashes and close calls, and we're going to try not to make the same mistakes as these riders. So make sure you pay attention if you're a brand new rider, or you're returning, or you've been riding for a while and you just don't even know what's going on. Oh, headlights in our, okay, so that's pretty scary. He started to do something. I'm going to pause real quick so I don't have to pause the rest. So we're going to use the plan method, position for, and locate and assess and navigate. He saw that there's something there. He's going to do one of three things, either swerve, accelerate, or brake. He started to do something, recognized the car was moving off, so we didn't really have to do anything. So thankfully the car did. But we're going to be using all the information from the books that I have on the store. So we have the Riding Smart book, 0 to getting your license, so you can practice your motorcycle operator skills test. We have the rescue booklet. We might have to use the rescue booklet in this video. It comes with a rescue card. And then we have the Smart Rider motorcycle training drills, parking lot drills, 24 drills. You set up the cones, and you no longer have to move the cones. You have 24 drills to do it. Comes with a digital edition. Links in the description for everything. And there's a link in the store, motorcycletrainingconcepts.com, for 5 free drills. All right, I don't have to say that anymore. Here we go. Let's go and jump into this. That was my one pause. So we're going to make a sharp left turn, go a little bit wide. We want to position ourselves in the middle on these turns, just in case somebody does that. I don't like the outside, inside, because if we're on the inside at that point, problem. Okay, so we're going to locate side of the vehicle, slow it down, swerve left, go right, because our total stopping distance wasn't good enough. So we applied the brakes to give ourselves some time to think, and then we swerved around it. So that side of the vehicle is a good pattern to indicate we might have to do something. Corners, dangerous areas. So locating hazardous situations. Corners are typically hazardous situations for motorcycle riders, so we failed to negotiate. So we should slow down before the corner and then add speed if we need to, instead of adding a ton of speed and trying to slow down. This is what it looks like when you add speed and try to slow down, okay? Take it nice and easy. We go over that in the first book because you're riding around in the neighborhood practicing your speed, max 25 miles an hour because of typical neighborhoods, okay? So hopefully we don't have to rescue somebody after a crash. There's the card you get. Free shipping, by the way, for the print books and the ones with the cones, okay? Oh, we got a road surface hazard. Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic. Don't panic. Okay, it's stuck. Get on the shoulder and then take it off. Because now we're removing our hands from the controls to manage this situation, and we're not focused on the road. All right, going around a corner. Probably looks like an on-ramp. Oh. Side of the pedestrian. Oh, high impact. We can also rescue somebody like that. They shouldn't have done that. We had a green light. But if I saw ahead of time, I would have slowed down and let them. It is what it is, though. Oh, we're going to have a gravel issue?
How deep is it?
Oh, and a water issue.
That's not deep at all, look. Look, come on, look.
You want to give it some speed, though, before entering. Okay, that's why. So that little spillover, there's going to be some moss, there's going to be some traction issues. So while you had room there, I would have increased the speed and then coasted across as best I can instead of trying to pitter-patter around it. Now, if you're concerned, hey, is it deep? Park, walk across it, walk back, and then go. Okay? All right, we're coming up to an intersection. There's brake lights. We're going to switch lanes. It was an open lane pattern for us. We did it. Ooh, big bus. Applying the brakes. Good job with progressive brake pressure. We practiced that in the parking lot. We practiced that in the neighborhood with the Riding Smart book. Okay, it's upside down. Okay, we're going pretty fast. Oh, headlights. Find the escape. Waited a little too late, but we managed it. It didn't look pretty, but it worked. So that's all that matters. Oh, no. Looking back, road surface. You see the road surface? Go ahead and rewind it. Oh, we can do it right here. Look at the road surface. Don't look back when the road surface is terrible. If there's patchwork, focus. Okay, now we're going to rescue. Okay, remain calm. Ensure your own safety so we don't get hit by traffic. And if he's bleeding out, this is why you have a trauma kit. You have a tourniquet. You can pack the wound. You can apply direct pressure. Very important, and that's part of this book. Okay, I show you what's in a trauma kit at the very last page. Make sure you get yourself a trauma kit. I keep one in my van, and I take it with me anytime I'm basically in a vehicle. All right, here we go. And I have some tourniquets at home just in case somebody gets cut, cooking and whatnot. All right, sharp corner. Yeah. If you're able to say whoa, that means there's an action that needs to be taking place. And so typically people are going too fast in the corners. So when they say, whoa, 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 that's when we should be applying trail braking. Now, let's say, whoa, 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 before the corner, apply some brakes or slow down, and then be like, ha, 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 going through the corner, okay? So see it ahead of time, do the whoa, whoa, whoas beforehand, okay? So just too fast. If we're talking to our buddy on the cardo and trying to keep up with them, yeah, you're 1 centimeter from the tire, but you're 0 centimeters from the ground. I mean, it's got full gear at least. You know, smart riders, we acquire and use personal protective equipment. But you can talk to your buddy and be like, hey, I can't keep up. This is what you communicate with your friends. Hopefully they're nice. They'll make fun of you, but it is what it is. Full gear, hopefully no major injuries. Bike is probably messed up pretty bad. Isle of Man beginner. Yeah. Oh, right leg, right hip. Let's go and just sit down. Sit down for a little bit. Let's double check. Let's go and unzip you a little bit to see if there might be any bleeding. I don't think there would be, but that impact could break a leg or a hip or just really mess up your knee bad. So this is why we rescue. So once again, you remain calm. If you're the other guy, remain calm, and you need to ensure on safety so you don't get hit. But call 911 or tell someone to call 911 if it's that painful. Because you're obviously not going to ride out. Your bike is kind of done. And then if you have major injuries, surgery is the only thing that's going to help you. All right, here we go. All over the place. Need every single lane just to make a regular turn. All right. What about cars? Are they going to come around the corner? I don't know. Oh, nope. Just somebody's going to do a U-turn. What the? Amazing U-turn, by the way. Nice little sharp right-handed U-turn. Probably practice the smart rider drills. I don't know why he had to do that to look at that chick. That was really dumb. Guy's an idiot. Big idiot. The thing is, if you're an idiot, it's fine if you're an idiot by yourself, but when you're an idiot and it causes somebody else to get hurt, you're a problem. Two bikers practice synchronized slow speed falls. You can practice your right-handed U-turns, your left-handed U-turns, your figure eights, just all this crazy slow speed maneuvers. You get it on your phone, a bunch of different drills. Practice your drills. You're not going to have these mistakes if you know how to maneuver your bike at slow speed. Come on, everybody. You get 5 free drills on the website. Have fun. Practice. Practice the U-turn proficiency, which is the 5 free drills. There's videos on it too. There's QR codes that you can click on the digital version, and it'll take you to the video that I do. And I show you how to do all 5. All right. Moving on, 100 kilometers an hour. That is 60 miles an hour. It's about highway speeds. That's what we're doing.
He reported the issue started since the bike was brand new, and it had to be said that it looks rather worrying.
Oh, yeah. If it's doing that, keep your hands on it and then possibly go home. Yeah, so what do you guys think? This is a 2-year-old video, so an African twin from 2 years ago. If it's brand new, what do you think could be causing that? Maybe wheel balance, right? Maybe suspension issue. What do you guys think? It should not be doing that. So we're just gonna go ahead and watch this for another 20 minutes. Here we go. We're gonna do it again. It's concerning. And it seems like it only starts doing that around 70 kilometers and above. That's not good. All right, intersections. Locating hazardous situation. It's green, sure, but you should probably just creep out. So those were relevant threats.
Ready to go to work. And then you have a stop sign.
Same thing.
Yo!
Oh. So he saw that they had a stop sign, did not stop. And so we did what we needed to do. We waited. This right here I wouldn't do just because you're focused on other things other than riding. So a nice little corner, having some fun. Hopefully nothing around this corner that's going to be random. There it is. Oh, found the escape, found a new position for safety, navigated into a new position for safety. So good job with the swerve. 2 great wheels. Here we go. What do we got? Oh. Where are we? All right. Open lane pattern. Is the red car going to come out? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I discuss that in Riding Smart and on this channel all the time. That's a pattern that indicates somebody's going to merge in front of you. If you know what I'm talking about, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We talk about it all the time. Or just watch any of the other videos. But we're powering through this one. That's the side of the vehicle pattern. If you don't know what we're talking about, make sure you hit subscribe. Because those are 2 patterns that we do when we're locating hazards. It's another open lane pattern. Those are patterns that we look for when we are riding so we don't make the same mistakes. Thank you so much, MotoStars, for waiting to the end because we are going to have some pizza now. That's the last video of this 4-hour live stream that we do every week. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Check out the links in the description for those free drills and for the full system if you want to get the full system so you learn how to ride smart. All right, guys, I'll see you guys later.